Do you want to plan for today's trade? Hi, I'm CA RUDRAMURTHY, author, trader, and trainer, welcomes you to this very special pre-market report. Yesterday, Nifty had a huge move and both bulls and bears for intraday were chopped off. In fact, market made a move close to 250 points from the top on the downside, and again from the bottom it recovered back another 250 points of fall what it had previously made. Also, yesterday was a weekly expiry day where many of those option buyers on call and put side, if they were right, they would have definitely made huge money. But however, this volatility was so huge, only those people who were dare hearted and those who trade without stop loss could have only made money. But let me tell you, if you want to win in the market consistently, staying in the game is very important. And those who think they could have made money without stop losses yesterday, one trade is enough to take you out of the market. So you might have missed a big profit opportunity by keeping stop losses. But let me tell you, those who trade without stop loss, they are just one trade away to get out of market and never do this big mistake in life. And let me tell you, in life there is nothing certain except death and taxes. But in India, I will say there is nothing certain except death, and stock markets are definitely not certain, they are uncertain. And this is where professional traders and profitable traders understand that you have to keep stop losses, and being in the game is important to win the game. Have the right mindset of a trader where you know surely whatever analysis you do, you cannot be profitable on all the trades, but surely you can make money overall. So as a professional trader, I am interested to make money overall, surely not fighting against the market and to be right on all the trades what you make. If I see today's SGX Nifty, it is already up 100 points and right now at 15,665. Yesterday, even I was surprised because I myself went to yesterday's video and I was seeing my pre-market report where if you see the timing, it is about 8 minute 18 second yesterday. I was hinting that automobiles and especially Maruti and Tata Motor will be good on the long side. How can you forget the big move yesterday before market hours in our pre-market report when I updated you? Maruti, that was the top gainer. Yes, last 3 days if you see, first it was ICICI Bank, private banks on the buy side, next it was steel stocks on the sell side, and finally yesterday it was Maruti and Tata Motor magic. Now let me tell you, the point here is not to be right on every day. Yes, I too go wrong, and there are many trollers who will come immediately when you are wrong, but when you are right, they will be simply sitting quiet. My job is only to give right market calls and tease these trollers and make money. Success answers all these trollers much better. And for the day, you have to watch out for even Brent crude, which is now around $110 per barrel, and I expect Brent crude to come back to those levels closer to $100 per barrel, and still another $10 fall from current price can be expected very shortly. Also, this is the second attempt Nifty is making back towards the resistance levels of 15,670 to levels of 15,750. And let me tell you, once we close, again let me underline, once we close above 15,750, this market is headed further up. And let me again reiterate, repeatedly in Twitter I am writing during live market hours, short sellers beware. And this statement which I made has already given a pullback, and lot of these short sellers have been caught left, right and center. And let me tell you, make note of this number, till we close, not intraday but on closing basis, till we come below 15,350, this market is definitely not good for short. The risk reward does not favor shorting, and this market still has legs to to move on the upside. However, if I have to change my bullish stand, I want Nifty to close below 15,350 till we are above 15,350 on a closing basis. This market is definitely buy on every dips, and short sellers have no good risk reward to go short selling here. And also what happens is, here I cannot give live market updates in YouTube because this pre-market report whatever I am giving you is just given once before the market opens, but during live market hour there are lot of moving parts, there are lots of information which starts flowing during market hour. That is where all these updates I will give it to you in Twitter during live market hour at my Twitter handle I am Rudramurthy, which will help people who are trading markets on a live basis. Also for me, this second attempt of Nifty crossing 15,750 is most likely, and once we close above 15,750, this market can further go up and head towards 15,900 and 16,200 levels. And sector which can outperform for the week and even for coming days and for the day will be definitely from mid cap IT and even large cap IT. Private banks will also continue its outperformance, and I like stocks like ICICI Bank from private bank, HDFC Bank can also do good, even insurance as a sector will be good. Those of you who are in LIC for long-term investment, this is the time to even average and buy more of LIC. Also Max Financial is another insurance stock which can definitely do good, and from private banks, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank can definitely outperform. Also autos might be, after such a huge move, it might see some consolidation before starting again its up move. Definitely Maruti, Tata Motor, M&M, Hero Motor Corp, TVS Motor, Ashok Leyland, these are all stocks which can fabulously do good on a consistent basis for a medium to longer time frame. Autos has clearly reversed, and any dips in these auto stocks which I have mentioned, including even HR Motors, you can definitely buy on every dips. And for me, this is also time to invest your long-term money in quality mid and small cap where businesses are doing great, and this is where lot of stock options are there for you to buy for long-term investment from mid and small cap. Even large cap offers lot of value. Definitely I like stocks from mid cap, lot of stocks like Gufic Bio, and it can be stocks like from mid cap even Vedanta, which can do fabulous from metals for a medium to longer time frame, even Varanda Learning, and for me Sangvi Movers can also do good from current level, and Raymond is another beautiful stock I like for long term 1 to 2 year kind of an investment. So many beautiful stocks are definitely available. And guys, today I am flying to Ranchi, where we have our Mahendra Singh Dhoni, one of the best captains not just for Indian cricket team but whom the whole world admired. The guy who got World Cup to India after a long time post Kapil Dev. And I am going to Ranchi for an investor camp where I'll be talking to a lot of chartered accountants on how to create wealth through equity investing. So my session is there tomorrow at 10:30, and details are there in my Twitter handle. I have pinned the tweet, and those of you who are in Ranchi or close by to Ranchi, you cannot miss this program where I will be coming in person. You can meet Rudra live. Lot of stock strategies will be discussed there. Also lot of people's query on investing and trading I'll be definitely answering. So tomorrow I am there for my live program addressing over at least 700 to 1000 plus chartered accountants, and I will be there to even address many more people who are in the field of investing and trading. But today evening I am flying to Ranchi, night I will be in Ranchi, and morning I have my session, and I'll be flying back to Bangalore on Sunday. And I'm also planning to visit Gokarna temple on Monday morning. So Sunday again I'll be just traveling to Gokarna to take blessings of Hara Hara Mahadev, Lambodara, Shiva, and Mrutyunjaya. So this person's blessing on Monday. So guys, lot of travel, and even today I'm just getting ready for market, plus I have to pack up my bags to fly to Ranchi. So those of you who are there, do not miss this program where Rudra is available to you. First time I am visiting Ranchi, and definitely do tell lot of your friends, forward this video so that they get heads up on what to do with market, and if they are close by to Ranchi, let them meet Rudra. So with this, signing off, Rudramurthy. Have a profitable trading day, and see you all. Monday I may not be giving any video because I am not in station, so my next video will come on Tuesday. But however, market update I will give it to you on Twitter handle, so do follow me in my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy, and have a very profitable trading day. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off, Rudramurthy.